Next is question number 10. The table shows 4 sequences A, B, C and D. Complete the table. For sequence A, we have to calculate its fifth term. Since this one is cube of 1 and 8 is cube of 2, 27 is cube of 3, 64 is cube of 4. So fifth term should be 5 raised to power 3. So this is cube of 5. And similarly nth term is cube of n. Now for sequence B, the difference between first two terms is, it is 11 minus 5 is 6, and then for next two terms 17 minus 11 is 6. So their difference is same. By using a1 plus n minus 1 into d, we will calculate its nth term. a1 is 5 plus n minus 1, common difference is 6. Now this is equal to 5 plus 6n minus 6, which is equal to 6n minus 1. So this is 6n minus 1, and by using this we can find its fifth term. For n equals 5, this is equal to a5, 6 into 5 minus 1, which is equal to 6 times 5 minus 1 is 29. So its fifth term is 29, and the difference between fifth and fourth term, for double check, 29 minus 23 is 6, which is the correct. Next is sequence C. Its first term is 0.25, second is double the first term, third is double the second term, fourth is double the third term, and fifth term is double the fourth term. So this is a geometrical sequence. So their common ratio should be what? It is 0.5 over 0.25. 0.5 over 0.25 is 2. Their common ratio is 2. So by using ar raised to power n minus 1, now first term is 0.25 and common ratio is 2 and it's raised to power n minus 1. Now simplifying it, 0.25 times, it can be written as 2 raised to power n times 2 raised to power minus 1, which is equal to 0.25 over 2 multiplied by 2 raised to power n. Now 0.25 divided by 2 is 1 over 8. This is 1 over 8 times 2 raised to power n, and 8 is 2 raised to power 3, so 1 over 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power n, and this is equal to 2 raised to power n minus 3, which is its nth term. 2 raised to power n minus 3. Now for double check, let's find fifth term. So for this n equals 5. Then 2 raised to power 5 minus 3 equals 2 raised to power 2, which is 4. So fifth term is 4. Now the last one is sequence D, which is 4.75, 10.5, 16. Can you see that if I subtract C from B, 5 minus 0.25 is 4.75, 11 minus 0.5 is 10.5, 17 minus 1 is 16, 23 minus 2 is 21. So similarly 29 minus 4 is 25. and in this way we can find its nth term, which is 6n minus 1, 6n minus 1 minus 2 raised to power n minus 3 by using b minus c equals d.